Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 16. Date and time of a field trip.
When are we leaving for our field trip?
Our science field trip is next Monday at 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you mark that on your calendar?
Yes, I will write that down.
That will be Monday, December 2nd. We need to start loading the buses half an hour early, so plan to arrive at 7:30.
Yes, I will be there on time.
We will return 6 days later on December 8th. Will someone be picking you up?
Yes, someone is coming to get me.
The return bus will leave the campground at 5 p.m. and return to campus 3 hours later at 8 p.m.
What should we bring with us?
I am going to post all of that information on the Geology Club webpage. Check it out when you get the chance. See you Monday.
Can you tell me what the date and time of our field trip is?
We are leaving on our science field trip at 8 a.m. next Monday. Do you have something to write that down on?
Yes, I can write it on my calendar.
That will be on the 2nd of December. Be there half an hour early to get your bags on the bus. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
The bus will bring you back 6 days later on December 8th. Is someone coming to get you?
No, I don't have a ride yet.
We will be leaving the campground at 5 o'clock in the evening and arrive at our campus at 8 p.m. Any more questions?
How much will the trip cost?
I put all of that information in the packet. I'll give you another copy if you need one. See you on Monday.
What date will our field trip be on?
The science field trip is next Monday at 8 o'clock in the morning. Do you want to make note of that on your calendar?
Yes, I will make note of that.
Next Monday is December 2nd. The buses will leave at 8, but we must begin loading at 7:30.
Be there half an hour early.
You might want to tell whoever is picking you up that you will return on December 8th. Do you have a ride?
Yes, someone is picking me up.
To get back to campus by 8 p.m., we will be leaving the campsite at 5 p.m. Do you have any more questions?
Not at the moment, maybe later, though.
All of the extra information that you need is on the bulletin board in the hallway. See you on Monday.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.